If your neck feels stiff when you wake up in the morning, or do you have this neck pain which has been bothering you for a long time, or do you have this pain which shoots down from your neck towards your shoulder or towards your arm? Most people think these are three separate problems, either related to their muscle, spine, or pinched nerve. But in reality, they all come from the same root cause, which is the chronic inflammation leading to muscle spasm, nerve irritation, as well as spinal problems. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you two quick exercises that you can do at home, plus one powerful natural remedy that can help with all of these three conditions. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Neck pain, neck stiffness, cervical problems, as well as pinched nerve are getting more and more common. There are multiple reasons for it. Because of long screen times as well as poor posture throughout the day, which means we are sitting down for majority of the time because of our work, plus also poor diet. All of these things ultimately is leading to chronic inflammation in our body, which leads to muscle spasm or tight muscles, and it causes nerve irritation in your back. Plus it also reduces the blood flow through your spine and through your neck. And the result of all of this is that you feel stiffness in your neck. You have this nagging neck pain and sometimes a sharp pain, specifically when you're moving your neck in a certain position. Plus you can have pinched nerve symptoms or burning symptoms in your neck or in your shoulder area. Now most people struggle to find the right solutions for them. So either they have to take painkillers on the daily basis or muscle relaxers, which makes them groggy. And this is where if you work at the root of the problem, which is the inflammation, as well as if you work on relaxing those muscles, reducing the nerve irritation, as well as you help in the decompression of your muscles and your spinal canal, then you see significant improvement. And this is where these two exercises and one remedy that I'm going to share with you today targets all of these things. But before we move forward, I want to share this medical disclaimer. This video doesn't replace any medical advice. If you're having severe pain, dizziness, or really bad symptoms, it is very important to follow your local doctor's advice. Okay, now let me share with you these two quick exercises that you can do at home itself. The first exercise is what I call as a neck reset. It resets the pressure, tension, and stiffness in your neck. And this is what I also call a chin tuck and shoulder drop exercise. How to do it? Let me show you. So to do this exercise, you need to sit straight as well as keep your spine all straight and sit tall. Then we have to do this first motion called chin tuck. This is basically this chin moving back. It is not going down. It is not going up. Okay. Simply you keep your chin straight, but it goes back. Okay. Like this. It goes back and front. So your chin goes back and then you relax your shoulders down. So both of these shoulders are going down. Okay. And your chin is back and your shoulders are down. Try to get your shoulders down as much as possible. You hold this for 3 to 4 seconds, then you release your chin. And then you take it back again. And then you release it. And then you take it back again. All this while you keep your shoulders down. You repeat this at least 5 to 6 times. And then you take a break. Now this particular exercise releases the neck muscle spasm, relaxes them. Plus it also decompresses your nerves and also boosts the blood flow in your neck muscle area. So very easy to do. After doing this exercise, then you move to your second exercise after this. This exercise is what I call as gentle nerve decompression. Basically, it is working on decompressing and relaxing your nerves in your neck area. So it really helps with the pinched nerve symptoms as well as for the neck pain and neck stiffness symptoms. So again, to do this exercise, you sit straight on a chair, then you place one of your hands gently on your head and then you tilt your head very gently towards the pain-free side. Or if you have pain on both the sides, then you can start with one side. And then you tilt your head very slowly and gently. Let gravity do the work. And once you reach at an angle where you can hold it, hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. And then you gently get back to the center. And then you go towards the neck side by tilting your neck towards the other side. And again hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And then again bringing your neck into the center. Each side you have to do it between 3 to 4 times. That's it. One round of your exercises is done. Now again, during these exercises, you have to be gentle with yourself. And specifically if you feel increased pain, increased numbness, or if you feel dizziness, stop doing these exercises. But if you do these exercises slowly and slowly, you are going to see actually an improvement. How often and when is the best time of doing these exercises? I recommend them to do it at least 2 to 3 times in a day. The first time you do it is in the morning, because the morning times we are typically stiff as well as we have increased pain. So in the morning, as soon as you wake up, you do these exercises, which will take you hardly 4 to 5 minutes to complete. The second time is again in the evening time or before bedtime. Again, we accumulate too much stress and too much stiffness in your body. And if you do it at the end of the day, you release all of that stiffness and inflammation from your system. Now, along with these exercises, there is one remedy that also works really good, is taking an anti-inflammatory supplement. This supplement needs to have turmeric or curcumin, as well as it also needs to have boswellia and also ginger and quercetin. All of these anti-inflammatory herbs have shown to be significantly improving the pain, stiffness and inflammation in the neck area. Now this is where I've made a special supplement called Inflamma Pro, which have all of these anti-inflammatory herbs added in one capsule. So you don't have to take multiple capsules, and one capsule can help you improve these conditions. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. Now, as you realize, these exercises are supposed to work on your body gently. So you might not see a difference on the very first time when you're doing it. But over the course of next few days to few weeks, you will see that your body is relaxing more. You will have less neck stiffness. Plus you will feel less nerve irritation and also pain in your neck. And if you combine the exercises with the Inflamma Pro supplement, the improvement is even more pronounced. So today I shared with you 2 exercises which can really be useful in improving and reducing your neck pain and stiffness. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this kind of information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.